Alright guys, you might be wondering what's on my face, and I'm going to give you a spoiler. It's squid juice. Now watch the rest of the video to figure out why I have squid juice on my face. Hey guys, with the beautiful power of fasting, I woke up naturally at 7:30 in the morning. It's now 9 in the morning and I'm going to go get a massage and go to the beach. Guys, I'm taking the Temple Run path down to the beach again, and here's a cool rooster. Rooster! Wow, it's up in the tree now. Alright, we're at the alley near Graceland Hotel. And here's some morning ocean. It's about 9:30. Let's look how great the water looks at 9:30. Food carts are already coming out. Morning. Look at the water. It's super blue in the morning. It takes on a greenish tint around noon. Then it just starts looking kind of brown around 3 or so. Look at that morning water. Alright, here's world famous Patong Beach, 10 a.m. on a Monday. There's the busy hotel street. Alright, something I love doing when I'm fasting is getting snacks for my friends. William? Hey, good morning. And thank you.
You have to pay
A what?
105 baht.
Alright, it's funny. I kind of just did something stupid, but ultimately no problem. I ordered some barbecue bananas, like the grilled bananas for my beach friends. And I always pay with Alipay, like online pay, but I forgot and I clicked on cash on delivery. I only had 1,000 baht, which is like $40, and I just gave it to the delivery guy and said, go to 7-Eleven and break it, like buy a water and break it. And then I was thinking like, what the hell? I just gave that guy like $40. But of course he came back and gave me the water and gave me the correct amount of change. That's why I love Thailand and that's why I keep coming back. Alright, they're making a beach barbecue. Barbecue? You guys, you guys go on YouTube.
Okay, barbecue today.
We have fish or squid? Squid?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, wow. Alright, we're gonna make some squid. I'm still fasting, so unfortunately none for me. But I'm allowed to touch it. Alright. I can pick up.
You can do, yeah.
Is dead or alive?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Yeah.
After moment. Stop. 1 minute, 2 minutes. I will barbecue now.
Yeah. Alright, we're barbecuing the eggs right now. Never seen that before. What's this, the fish or squid? More squid? Yeah. Oh, the yesterday squid, the small?
No, in the morning.
Oh, morning.
Morning. Tẹtเลยเฮ้ยแตกเลยแตกเลยบาร์บีคิวฮะ
Everything is from this morning and just now. Very fresh.
ไข่ย่างไม่ใช่ไก่ย่างไข่ย่างโอ้ไข่ย่างอร่อย
Oh wow. Looks good.
ไข่ย่างไม่ใช่ไก่ย่าง
Cái là xe này, cái này rồi.
โอ้ยแตกเลย
Xe này là.
ไม่แตกไหมไม่แตก
Xe cái nào đi.
I consider myself really experienced with animals and the ocean, but I've never seen this. Look at it. It's like changing colors right here. It's kind of like pulsating. You see the little like black, white. Look at that. It's really cool. It's doing it around the eye too really well. Here, where's my finger? Alright, that's cool.
ได้ตัวละพันแล้วก็หลังละพันแล้วพูดนี้ของแม่พูดไม่ได้เพราะว่าของวันนี้ผมขายหมดผมไม่ได้ซื้อขายที่นี่ครับเดี๋ยวพูดอยู่หน้าพี่ดูแม่ซื้อขายที่นี่นะครับไม่ใช่ผมไม่ได้
And these were just caught this morning and just an hour ago.
ก็หวยแยกมาวันไหนผมไม่รู้
How many minutes? Like 10 minutes? 20?
About 10 minutes.
10?
Yeah.
Nice. And guys, these are dead. They're just moving because they're cooking. They are already dead. I will have so many people on YouTube like angry.
Yeah.
Like, oh, they're alive. No, they are not alive. It's cool. In Korea, they eat the squid like living.
Yeah.
And it's like
Yeah,
moving. In China, we do not do that.
Baby.
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 This one baby. This one
Yeah.
papa. This one mama.
One big family.
This one my friend.
That's your friend. Now I like how they change the colors. Look at the black, black, black. That's so cool.
เปลี่ยนสีเปลี่ยนสี
Yeah, wow. I never see that before.
มันอัดยูทูบแล้วเอา
Yeah, you guys need some vegetables. Really, go Family Mart. Yeah, look at the color change right there. Wow. And the big one, grandma, grandpa,
Yeah, grandma.
grandmother. And guys, they're not gonna clean them at all. They're just eating them natural.
เอามันเปลี่ยนสี
Again, it's already very dead. Oh my god, guys, that's so interesting. Cool. No smell though. You don't do spices?
No.
No? You should do some salt.
I have
เพราะ
the
ว่า
sauce.
ยังไม่สุก
You have salt.
Yeah, I have sauce.
Oh, this is the sauce. Let me see.
Later.
Later?
Yes.
Ah, cool.
Chili sauce.
Chili sauce. Thai chili.
เอาโยนตรงนี้ก็ได้นะครับมีทางใหญ่อยู่ครับ
What is this?
Namji seafood.
Thai chili sauce?
Yes.
Namji chu soup?
น้ำจิ้มซีฟู้ด
Ah. Is it spicy? A little spicy? How spicy?
spicy
Spicy?
sour
Sour?
little sweet little salty
Seems like everything.
yeah everything
Same, same.
yeah put the chili
Yeah?
garlic
Garlic?
yeah and sugar
Yeah?
and fish sauce and lamb
Alright.
ฟังก็กินเลยไม่ลองดูมันได้ถ่ายรูป
กินเลย โอเค เทส
Gonna eat?
yes
Alright.
this
มีสายใหญ่
very good
Alright?
a little bit spicy
Alright.
going now
โอ้โห
Looks good.